Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, myself Kasle PB, Junior College teacher from Raj Shikshan Sanstha, RBNB College, Sri Rampur. Students, in the last lecture, we have seen solutions of differential equations by variable separable method, solutions, general solution and particular solution for the given differential equation. Now today we are going to study the solutions of differential equation again. Solution of homogeneous differential equations. Okay, now we first see what is meant by homogeneous differential equation, and before that what is meant by homogeneous equation. If the sum of the indices of variables, if the sum of the indices of variables in each term is equal or same, then that equation is called as homogeneous equation. For example, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is the homogeneous equation. In this equation, variables are x and y. Here variable x raised to 2, that is index of x is 2 and here index of y is 0. That is sum of the variables x and y, sum of the indices of variables of x and y is 2. Here also sum of the indices of x and y is 2, and here also sum of the indices of variables x and y is 2. Therefore this is the homogeneous equation. We can say next example, 3x square minus 5xy plus 8y square equal to 0. This is also homogeneous equation of degree 2. Sum of the indices of the variables is 2. Therefore degree of this equation is 2. Okay, we can say another example, 5x cube minus 3x square y plus 5y cube equal to 0. This is also a homogeneous equation of degree 3. Because sum of the indices of the variables x and y in each term is 3. Therefore this is homogeneous equation of degree 3. Now we see what is meant by homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation: if the sum of the indices of variables in the given differential equation is same or equal, then that differential equation is called as homogeneous differential equation. For example, x plus y dy by dx is equal to 0. This is the homogeneous equation of degree 1. Homogeneous equation of degree 1. We can say another example, x cube y plus xy cube plus x square y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. This is the homogeneous equation. This is also homogeneous equation of homogeneous differential equation of degree 4, because in each term sum of the indices of variables x and y is 4, x raised to 3, y raised to 1, 3 plus 1 means 4. Okay, here also x raised to 1, y raised to 3, 1 plus 3 equal to 4, and here also x raised to 2, y raised to 2, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore this is the homogeneous differential equation of order 4. Okay, now we see examples for homogeneous differential equation. We have to find the general solution and particular solution for the given homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now we first see solutions of homogeneous differential equation, that is general solutions of homogeneous differential equation. Now we see first example here, solve the following differential equation. Example is solve the following differential equation. Now equation is x into sine of y upon x into dy is equal to, in square bracket, y into sine of y by x, y into sine of y by x minus x square bracket complete into dx. Okay, now this is the given homogeneous differential equation. In each term, sum of the indices of variables x and y is same. Here x raised to 1, here also y raised to 1, and here x raised to 1. This is the homogeneous differential equation of order 1. Okay, now we see answer for this example. Answer for this: consider given differential equation. Consider given differential equation, that is x into sine of y upon x into dy is equal to y into sine of y upon x minus x into dx. Okay, now first we write this dy by dx, dy upon this dx is equal to, keep this term as it is, y into sine of y by x minus x upon take this term x into sine of y by x. Okay, say this as the equation number first. Now for solving this differential equation, we have to use substitution. Put y is equal to v into x. Okay, substitution is put y is equal to v into x. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of this y dy by dx equal to, for the derivative of this term RHS, v into x, product of two functions, we can use here product rule. First function as it is, v as it is, derivative of x is 1, plus x as it is, derivative of v with respect to x is dv by dx. That is, we get dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now put these two values, that is y equal to vx and dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx in equation first. Therefore equation 1 becomes, value of dy by dx is v plus x into dv by dx equal to value of y vx into sine of, here also value of y is v into x upon x minus x upon x into sine of, value of y is vx upon x. Okay, now we simplify this. V plus x into dv by dx is equal to, we can take x common here at the numerator, x into in bracket v sine of, here x cancel out, remains only v, minus 1 upon x into sine of, here also x cancel, remains only v. Now this x also cancel. Now write down remaining terms here. V plus x into dv by dx is equal to v sin v minus 1 upon sin v. Okay. Now take terms of v to the RHS. Take this v to the RHS. Then we can write x into dv by dx is equal to v sin v minus 1 upon sin v as it is, minus this term v. Okay, now we can take addition here. Addition of these two fractions. X into dv by dx is equal to v sin v minus 1 as it is minus v into sin v, okay, upon sin v as it is. Now this plus v sin v minus v sin v cancel out, remains only x into dv by dx is equal to minus 1 upon sin v. Now this is the equation in the form of variables x and v. Now we can take terms of v to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. Therefore we can write here sin v into dv is equal to minus 1 upon x into dx. Now this is the variable separable form of the given differential equation. Okay, now we can take integration here. Taking integration on both sides, we can write here integral sin v dv is equal to integral minus of integral 1 upon x into dx. Okay, now we know that integral of sin v is minus cos v. Integral of sin v minus cos v is equal to minus integral of 1 upon x is log x plus constant of integration c. Now multiply this equation by minus sign on both sides. Multiplying by minus 1, we can write here cos v is equal to plus log x minus c. That is cos v equal to log x, and constant of integration minus c can be written as in the form plus c. Okay, now finally put the value of v. Here y is equal to v into x, therefore v is equal to y upon x. Put v is equal to y upon x, therefore we can write here cos of y upon x is equal to log x plus c. Okay, this is the required solution for the given differential equation. Okay, now we see next example here. The example is same. Solve the following differential equation, only differential equation it changes. Next example is solve the following differential equation in open bracket x square minus y square into dx equal to plus xy into dy plus 2 into x into y into dy equal to 0. Okay, this is the given homogeneous differential equation. Here in each term sum of the indices is 2, x raised to 2, y raised to 2, here x raised to 1, y raised to 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2. This is the homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. Now we see answer for this example. Consider given homogeneous differential equation. Okay, that is x square minus y square into dx plus 2xy into dy equal to 0. Now first we find the value of dy by dx here. Therefore x square minus y square dx is equal to minus 2xy into dy. That is, we can write here x square minus y square upon this term minus 2xy equal to dy upon dx. That is, dy by dx is equal to x square minus y square upon this term minus 2xy. Say this as the equation number first. Now we have to use substitution here. Put y is equal to v into x. Put y is equal to v into x. Therefore, we can differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y dy by dx is equal to, using product rule, derivative of v into x is v as it is, derivative of x is 1, plus x as it is, derivative of v dv by dx. That is, dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now put these values, value of dy by dx and value of y equal to vx in equation first. Therefore, equation 1 becomes dy by dx means v plus x into dv by dx equal to x square minus y square, that is x square minus y means vx, we can write here v square x square upon minus 2 into x into vx. Okay, that is v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, we can take x square common here, x square into in bracket 1 minus v square upon here minus 2v x into x square. Now this x square cancel out, x square upon x square cancel. Now write down remaining term, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v square upon minus 2v minus 2v. Okay, now take terms of v to the RHS, that is x into dv by dx is equal to minus into 1 minus v square upon 2v. Take this term to the RHS, minus v plus v becomes minus 1 minus v. Simplify this, that is x into dv by dx equal to, taking addition here, 2v into 1 2v, take cross multiplication, minus into 1 minus, minus into minus plus v square minus 2v into v 2v square. Okay, that is x into dv by dx is equal to minus 1 as it is, v square minus 2v square means minus v square upon 2v. Okay, that is x into dv by dx equal to, take minus sign common here, minus into 1 plus v square upon 2v. We can write terms of v to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. Therefore, 2v upon 1 plus v square into dv is equal to minus 1 upon x into dx. Okay, this is the variables separable form of the given differential equation. Here variables are x and v. Okay, we can take integration here. Therefore, taking integration on both sides, you can write here integral of 2v upon 1 plus v square into dv equal to minus integral of 1 upon x into dx. Okay, now here integral of derivative of denominator 1 plus v square is at the numerator. Derivative of 1 plus v square is, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of v square 2v. Okay, with respect to v, derivative of v square is 2v, which is at the numerator, and here also derivative of x is 1, which is at the numerator. Therefore we can use here corollary, since integral f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log of f of x plus c. Using this corollary, we can write integration of these two integrals. Therefore log of 1 plus v square minus equal to minus integration of 1 upon x log of x, we can take constant of integration, plus log c, that is we can write here log of 1 plus v square plus log x is equal to log c. Okay, now we use here formula of logarithm, log a plus log b equal to log a into b. Since log a plus log b equal to log of a into b, using this formula we can write here log of 1 plus v square into x is equal to log c, Now log cancel out, we can write here log is cancel, remains only 1 plus v square into x is equal to c. Okay, now we can put here value of v from equation y equal to vx, v is equal to y upon x. Therefore put v is equal to y upon x, then we can write here 1 plus v square, v equal to y upon x. Therefore we can write v square means y square upon x square into x equal to c. Okay, but take addition here, x square plus y square upon x square into x is equal to c. Now here this x, one x is cancel out, remains only x square plus y square upon x equal to c. That is, we can write this x square plus y square equal to c into x. Now this is the required solution for the given homogeneous differential equation. This is the required general solution. Okay, now we see next example here. Now next example is solve the following differential equation: x into dy by dx, x into dy by dx minus y plus x into sine of y by x is equal to 0. Now this is also a homogeneous differential equation of degree 1. Okay, now we see answer for this example. Consider given homogeneous differential equation, that is x into dy by dx minus y plus x into sine of y upon x is equal to 0. Now first we find value of dy by dx here. Therefore we can write x into dy by dx equal to, this minus y becomes plus, this minus term become plus, term become minus x into sine of y upon x. That is y dy by dx is equal to y minus x into sin of y by x upon this x. Say this as equation number first, and we can use here substitution. Y is equal to v into x. Put y equal to vx in equation 1. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of y dy by dx, derivative of v into x using product rule, v as it is, derivative of x is 1, plus x as it is, derivative of v is dv by dx. Okay, that is, we get here dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now put these two values, value of dy by dx and value of y, in equation first. Therefore, equation 1 becomes v plus x into dv by dx is equal to y, value of y is vx minus x into sin of vx upon x as it is. That is, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, we can take x common at the numerator, x into in bracket v minus sin of, here x cancel, remains only v upon x. Now this x also cancel, x upon x cancel. Now write down remaining terms here, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to v minus sin v. Okay, that is, we can write here x into dv by dx is equal to v minus sin v. Take this v to the RHS, this becomes minus v. Okay, that is, x into dv by dx is equal to v minus v cancel, remains only minus sin v. We can take terms of v to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. Therefore, we can write here 1 upon sin v into dv is equal to minus 1 upon x into dx. 1 upon sin v means cosec v. Okay, cosec v into dv equal to minus 1 upon x into dx. Now this is variables separable form. We can take integration here. Taking integration, we can write here integral of cosec v dv is equal to minus integral of 1 upon x into dx. Now integration of cosec v, we know that integral of cosec x with respect to x is log of cosec x minus cot x. Okay, integration of cosec x is log of cosec x minus cot x. Therefore, we can write here integration of cosec v with respect to v is log of cosec v minus cot v, and here integration of 1 upon x is log of x. Okay, integration of cosec v is log of cosec v minus cot v equal to minus integration of 1 upon x is log x. We can take constant of integration log c. Okay, now we can use here, we can take this term log x minus log x to the LHS. That is, we can write here log of cosec v minus cot v plus log x equal to log c. Okay, now we can use formula for logarithm here. Log a plus log b equal to log a into b. Since log a plus log b is equal to log of a into b, using this formula we can write log of in bracket cosec v minus cot v into x equal to log c. Okay, now here log cancel out, remains only cosec v minus cot v into x is equal to c. Now we know that cosec v means 1 upon sin v and cot v means cos v upon sin v. That is 1 upon sin v minus cos v upon sin v into x is equal to c. That is, we get here 1 minus cos v upon sin v into x is equal to c. Now put value of v here. Finally put value of v. Put v equal to y by x. Put v is equal to y upon x. Therefore we can write here 1 minus cos of y upon x upon sin of y upon x into x is equal to c. That is 1 minus cos of y by x into x is equal to c into sin of y upon x. Okay, this is the required solution for the given differential equation. This is required general solution for the given differential equation. Now we see next example here. Solve the differential equation. Now next example is y square minus x square into dy by dx is equal to x into y into dy by dx. Now this is also homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. Okay, now we see answer for this. Consider given differential equation, that is homogeneous differential equation, y square minus x square dy by dx is equal to x into y dy by dx. Now take terms of the dy by dx together, then we can write here y square equal to x into y dy by dx plus x square into dy by dx. That is y square equal to, take dy by dx common, dy by dx into in bracket x into y plus x square. That is y square upon x into y plus x square equal to dy by dx. Okay, now we can write this as dy by dx is equal to y square upon x into y plus x square. Say this as the equation number 1. This is the value of dy by dx. Now we have to use substitution here. Put y is equal to v into x. Differentiate this equation with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy by dx equal to derivative of v into x by using product rule. Derivative of first function v as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus second function x as it is, derivative of v dv by dx. That is, we get here dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now put these two values, value of y equal to vx and dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx in equation 1. Therefore, equation 1 becomes dy by dx means v plus x into dv by dx equal to value of y is vx, therefore we can write here v square x square upon x into y. X into y means x into vx plus x square. That is, v plus x into dv by dx is equal to, we can write here v square x square. At the denominator we can take x square common, x into x square plus x square common, in bracket remains v plus 1. Now this x square cancel out, remains only v plus x into dv by dx is equal to v square upon v plus 1. Okay, now we can take this term v to the RHS, then x into dv by dx is equal to v square upon v plus 1 minus v. That is, x into dv by dx equal to, take here addition, product of denominator at denominator, cross product, v square minus v into v plus 1. That is, we can write here x into dv by dx is equal to v square as it is minus v into, v into v, that is v square, minus v into v square, minus v square, and minus 1 minus v into 1 minus v upon v plus 1. This plus v square minus v square cancel, remains only x into dv by dx is equal to minus v upon v plus 1. Okay, now we can take terms of v to the LHS and terms of x to the RHS. Therefore we can write this v plus 1 upon v into dv is equal to minus, as it is, 1 upon x into this dx. Okay, now this is the variable separable form of the given differential equation. Now we can take integration here. Taking integration, we can write integral v plus 1 upon v into dv is equal to minus integral 1 upon x into dx. That is, we can write here integral, take separate denominator and separate integration here, v upon v into dv plus integral 1 upon v into dv equal to minus integral of minus 1 upon x into dx. That is, we can write here 1 upon, v upon v means 1, v upon v 1, integral of 1 with respect to v is v, plus integral of 1 upon v log v equal to minus integral of 1 upon x log x plus constant of integration c. Okay, now further we can write here, take this minus term to the LHS, we can write here log v as it is plus log x plus v equal to c. Now we can use here formula log a plus log b. Since log a plus log b is equal to log of a into b, that is, here we can write log of vx plus v equal to c. Now finally we put value of v is equal to y upon x. Put v equal to y upon x. Therefore we can write here log of y upon x into x plus y upon x equal to c. Now this x cancel out, remains only log y plus y upon x equal to c. Okay, that is x into log y plus y upon x equal to c. Now this is the required general solution for the given differential equation. Okay, now we stop here. Thank you.